Hello everyone. Today I will teach you about the order of operations. The order of operations tells you which steps to do first in an expression. It is commonly abbreviated as PEMDAS or BODMAS. In this video, I will teach you how to use the order of operations by solving the problem 2 plus 3 times 4 times 9 over 3 plus 6 times 2 to the third power minus 7. This contains all of the necessary steps to teach each part of the order of operations. Before we start solving, however, we need to talk about what PEMDAS and BODMAS mean. PEMDAS is the abbreviation commonly used in the United States and stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. BODMAS is used in other parts of the world and stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Brackets and parentheses are exactly the same thing, and orders and exponents also mean the same thing. The order of operations states that you start with the steps within parentheses or brackets and follow the order of operations inside them as well. This means you start with the innermost parentheses and work your way outward. In our expression, this means we start with the 3 plus 6 in the innermost parentheses, which evaluates to 9. We'll get to the rest of the multiplication and division within these parentheses later. Next are exponents or orders. This is the step that comes immediately after parentheses. If something is raised to a power in the expression, then evaluate that after evaluating parentheses, but before everything else. Because our exponent is not actually within or on the parentheses, we can evaluate it. 2 to the third power is 8. Next are multiplication and division. These are in the other order in the BODMAS acronym, but it does not matter because it just means to do multiplication and division at the same time in the order you encounter them from left to right. We can now evaluate the multiplication and division within our parentheses. We have 4 times 9 divided by 9. This evaluates to 36 divided by 9, which comes out to 4. Now we have 3 times 4 times 8 in our equation. The order of operations says that we start with 3 times 4, which comes out to 12, then multiply by 8 to get 96. Last are addition and subtraction from left to right. These are done at the same time, just like multiplication and division. Our expression is now simplified to 2 plus 96 minus 7, which evaluates to 96 minus 7, which then comes out to 91. This is the final answer to this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in 2 weeks for another one.